What's up everyone? So this is Alex Aquatics Adventure and hear me up. Let me show you what I got. Look, I got a new tab. I buy it a sale 420 pesos. Look, nice quality, too thick, no damage, no holes and no leaks. Front to back, hear me up. And this is the true price, 250 pesos. And here's the sale price, 120. So I'm gonna clean it first before I put water. So I'm putting water to clean it before I'm doing to put the water and get the fish in it. So this is it, so clean. I cut the video. I'm gonna put there at that water pond. I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward it to not taking long. So this is the result. I put in there and I put the old pan, and I'm gonna put the molly inside to grow fast, and I found dye there. The old mother is dead. I mean my big mom is dead. I'm gonna throw it because life is simple. Someone's gonna die at you. Ciao. At fish lang. So I'm fast forwarding again. So here I'm done. I'm doing a siphon or cleaning an old pond, trapal pond here to put some other guppy. So it's clean now. Let me put some water. Fast forward again. And now it's full. Let's take some fish to experiment. So this is my black Moscow here. I'm not taking a black Moscow because I don't like. I'm gonna try some red dragon mosaic and some HB blue guppy. Let's take what is the result is. So this is what the old pond looks. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.